Calm down.
No, I can't come down.
Madam, calm down. Calm down, madam. No. Hey!
5 years of madness.
Asodogu, my baby, him alone go my only partner. Pauline, I'm going to one of your own. Asodogu, I be what would like to take.
Just rules.
Wow. Madam Hotspot. Madam Hotspot, you don't go. Madam, you can't take my come.
Jackson.
How are you, dear? How are you? You will have beans.
Yes, very hot beans.
Bring one plate for me and my Asodogu.
Is that what?
Tell your madam. Yeah, that's all. Tell your madam. That has shared me of my gosh.
Okay.
Yes.
Original customer.
Oh. I'm here to spend on you. I told you okay.
I'm very
concern me. Yes. Now once we carry go and bring 2 spoons. Now for me and my babe and make up. Go and get 2 spoons. Please, not too fast now. Let her get another spoon for us. Well, it's no problem. Madam, you fast now.
I'm coming. I'm bringing the spoon.
Oh. My time. Oh. This is eating with off. Thank you. No problem. Thank you. My dear, I would love to feed you. How do you see this? I would love to feed you. You can't do it. I will eat my money the way I want. Open your mouth. Oh, if I feed you, you feed me. I feed you, you feed me. Just like that. Oh, no, feed me, no, I will spend my money where I like it. Madam, let me not start.
Baby, I don't know start of Modidia.
What is it? What is it? Can't I somebody for you? What is it?
Baby, you may go.
I don't understand.
Baby, you may go.
How much am I owing you? I cannot even break.
Baby, you owe me 1,000 naira.
And so
Give me my
what?
money.
My dear, feed me. Oh!
You joking?
Hey!
How much?
I don't know what to do. Give me my money.
How much?
Madam, you guys are here enjoying.
Just
Your boyfriend or your whatever you call him, he's owing me 1,000 naira.
feed me. Feed me.
Baby, what are you
I understand. How much am I owing?
Embarrassment. I don't like.
Baby, you may go.
How much am I owing? How much am I owing? Just for that 1,000 naira. I don't understand. So because of what I cannot even spend my money. I cannot even spend my money. I think my video on app. Babe, feed me.
Just 1,000 naira.
Feed me.
You better get a busy now.
I'm not going to give you.
Baby,
And so what?
I've used this beans to recover my money.
Let me tell you, mommy,